common multiple in order to find common denominators.
I'm so confused. So am I. It makes sense to me. Wait, 3/4 would be...
Josh, are y'all doing good?
Yes.
You're helping each other?
I don't know it. I forget how to do it. Come on, I'll
Because
teach you.
there you go. Thank you, Josh.
We need help.
Okay, let's grab this. Let me see your marker, Taylor. Or, oh, here's one.
I don't, that
Okay. It doesn't?
No.
Yeah, it does.
Cool.
Okay, so what's my first one? 1/5?
1/5 plus 3/4.
Coley, can I borrow that marker? So you have 1/5.
So that's a good marker.
Yes. Okay, can you add these two together?
Yes.
You can?
No.
You can add them, but can you add them like this?
No.
Why?
Well, I mean, there's no plus on. You can, but it's just sometimes it can be harder. You can throw it like on top of each other. You know, do like the one thing like where you 1 plus 3 is 4, and then.
But how do we? Okay, what about this?
Okay, now you can add them.
So you can add those, okay? But you can't add this, right?
Well,
What do you have to do?
Do 5 times 4, which is 20.
And that's going to be my new denominator?
Yes.
Good job, Brandon.
Oh.
How did I get to this?
Well, you multiplied 5 times 4.
Okay, so what do I have to do to the top?
You have to multiply 1 times
1 times 4, right?
Yeah.
What about over here? 4 times what?
4 times 1.
4 times what got me 20?
Oh, 4 times 1. What? No, 4 times 5.
Okay, so what do I have to do to the top?
You have to do 4 times 5. I mean,
3 times 5. I know what you're saying.
Confused.
All right, now I can add them.
Yep. And
So what's 4 plus 15?
19.
And that's it. Now you need to go over here and see if this answer shows
there
up.
it is.
There you go.
So, A.
Yep. Are you figuring it out? Are you getting it, Evan?
Yeah,
Remember what we did yesterday when we found the least common multiple?
Yeah.
Well, that's what you have to do for the denominator. For your unlike denominators, you have to find the least common denominator that those will go into.
Okay.
What's the least common multiple for 5 and 4?
The least common multiple is
20.
20.
20. So, let me see this. So if your new denominator is going to be 20, how did you get from 5 to 20?
Times 4.
So what are you going to do with that top number?
Wait, what?
What are you going to do with the top number?
You added, multiply it
Times what?
times 4.
Okay, what about the next number?
And, then you do it by...
How'd you get from 4 to 20?
Times 5.
Okay, so what are you going to do to the top?
Times 5. 3 times 5 is 15.
Now can you add them?
Yes. Wait, do we have to simplify?
What's your answer?
19/20.
Does that simplify? Is that an option down here?
Yes.
There you go. Here you go, Josh. Does your mom call you Josh or Joshua?
Josh.
Gotcha. You guys doing okay?
Kind of. Yeah.
Yes?
No group problems, just understanding problems.
Yeah, I'm pushing myself to work as a group.
Thank you, Carson.
Kind of.
Did I get it right? Oh, I didn't put it.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should be 8, 6, which is 1 and... You're right. That's right. You guys okay?
Yes.
Is it really difficult?
Well, I'm just,
I got it. I understand it, but how do 10 of these go into all of those?
Because you have to think about only try the ones with that will have. You got that, right?
Yeah.
So you can use these more than once.
Oh, I thought that too.
Yeah. Are y'all doing okay?
Mhm.
You know you can use these more than once.
I know.
Okay. Just making sure.
And that's 1 and 2. Like this is 1 and 7/20.
Are y'all doing okay?
Yeah.
But you would have to multiply by 2, and that would have to be 6, but it's 7.
Are y'all doing okay?
Yes. Possibly.
Possibly.
I think so. Oh. I got 27/12. I changed the 6 to 12. I know. I changed the 6 to 12.
This right here, where'd that 2 come from?
Well, Miss Allen, we didn't understand. Miss Allen said we could like put the 2/4 instead of 1/8 to 2/4. Simplify 2/4.
No, not 2/4. Remember? Look, 1/4 is the same thing as 2/8, not 2/4. So what should that number right there be? What's that?
8?
Yeah. Do you see? You could have 1/4 or
3/8.
no. How many is
4/8.
that?
4/8.
No, 1/4 is the same thing as
2/8.
yeah.
And if you made that, you could put like if you added them together, it's 4/8.
No, I'm not trying to trick you. I'm just saying you had 2/4, but 2/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, your answer is. Okay, look. So your equation would be 1/4 plus 3/8. Do you see where I got that? Because 1/4
That's what I thought it was.
plus
But
3/8, right? Well, this, whenever you find the common denominator, turns into what? What does it turn into?
2/8.
Right. So then your answer is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/8.
That's what I thought it was, but I got confused.
Yeah, it's not trying to trick you. She's just saying that these are going to be the same thing. 1/4 is the same thing as 2/8, right? Did I just confuse y'all?
No, that makes a lot.
Okay. You are confused, Will?
3/5.
Because look, what is this right here? How many fifths?
Says 3/5.
3/5 plus, what is this?
3/5.
Yeah, you're right. But then what's the common denominator between 5 and 10?
10.
Okay. So whenever you change 3/5 to have a denominator of 10, then what are you going to do? How many tenths will you have? Yeah. So then you have 6 tenths plus 3 tenths.
9.
Yep. So this right here is your problem. 3/5 plus 3/10. Right? See, she wrote it. But this is going to be your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tenths. Got it?
3/16.
Are y'all solving the riddle? Are you?
Wait, can't figure out the second one. Do like 5 times 3, which is 15, then do this.
Okay. You have to find the same denominator, okay?
Which is 18.
Okay, what's your common denominator?
6 and 3.
No, what's going to be your common denominator? You just told me. You just said it. 18. So how do you get from 3 to 18?
You do times 6.
So what do you do for the top number?
Wait, did you say 2 times 6 or 3 times 6?
3.
Oh.
So how do you get the top number?
Times 6.
So what's 2 times 6?
12.
How'd you get from 6 to 18?
Times 3.
So what do you do to the top number?
Times 15. And I was right. Wait, what?
There you go. And you know that 15 plus 12 is going to be bigger than 18. So what does that say about your answer?
That you have to change it into a mixed number.
Right, your answer is going to be a mixed number. Are y'all doing okay?
Keep forgetting how to do it.
You keep forgetting how to do it?
Whenever I try to do it, I always mess it up.
Okay, try this one. What do you have to do? Can you add these two together?
Yeah. No.
What do you have to do first?
You have to make it into a 10.
Does that go into 10?
No.
So you have to find what? A common...
Least common multiple.
Right, so what's your least common multiple between 10 and 4?